One question for you. Wait. You're talking. I have one question. No, I have one question.
Fine, you went toilet, Mama. What are you coming to do? Yeah?
This man says you just went past without him allowing you to come in. Did
No, I
you
asked
speak
the
to him?
toilet only. I
So
said,
that you will credit.
yeah.
Sorry?
Now,
You're changing your story.
Yeah, but you will upstairs.
No, me,
You will upstairs yourself.
Okay.
No, I want the shop here.
Which shop?
Is this a public toilet?
No, I asked him online. Me, I pick mama.
I'm not to there.
I went to
Alright.
toilet. I asked online
So,
toilet.
you work for
I'm in
Home
my
Affairs?
toilet.
No, I'm just the shop. I'm just
So
the shop.
you're working here,
Yeah.
doing
I
photos, yeah?
asked him.
Yeah.
And then what is this doing here?
That's a security.
Security. The security is allowed to sleep. The security is allowed to sleep on duty.
No, you never. Passing.
Which security company allows someone to sleep on duty?
What the fuck is that?
Hey, Majala, don't make us happy. When you are a security, you work 12 hours, 6 to 6, and sleeping on duty is a serious offense. Which security company that allows
Can you just
you
show that trust, that
Because
security?
the guard does
We
not
want to
provide
see.
mattress and beds. No guard will provide mattress and beds.
Home Affairs njalo la kunembhede khona, la kulalwa khona.
Wait. Hey. Panagalo is very, very offensive to us. That is a public language. See here, there's native Africans here. You speak English, this is Zulu, Afrikaans, Xhosa. This Panagalo scheme, you're offending us.
Okay, me, I want you there only. Me, I'm coming now. I'm coming.
He said he came with you, and he showed you.
Yeah, come with me. I said come. I want
What are you carrying here?
So what you tell them about that?
What you gonna do? What are you going to
Problem left. This lady came to South Africa with no address where she came to. This document is supposed to have where you came to. His document doesn't say where. When you come to the
Where do you sleep?
yeah.
I'm coming visit.
Where?
Wait. Address. Because there's no address here.
No, ukuthi asichaze yini emenzayenza ikhophi kwenye indawo azoyenza.
Yeah.
Because ikhona indawo zenza amakhophi efuthi. Where do you sleep?
I'm coming here with my case. I'm taking my sister. He gives me some.
You stay in Mpumalanga?
Yeah.
Where about in Mpumalanga? I'm from Mpumalanga.
Uphiko lwe-March and March luye lavashela eHome Affairs emngeni la kutholakale khona lo mlisa ongokufika ephethe amapasi noma ama-green identity document abantu base-South Africa. Umbuzo ukuthi ngabe lama-identity document uwathole kanjani and afike kanjani kuyena, ngoba nimbona nje la esithombeni uyeke umlisa lona ubesazama ukuchaza lana echazela uphiko lwe-March and March ngoba utholakale namapasi a-more than 50 aney'bongo ehlukahlukene zabantu nama-drivers license wabo kanye nama-passport. Umbuzo ukuthi ama-identity document abo laba bantu base-South Africa afike kanjani kuyena, kodwa amaphoyisa alingenelelile udaba. Siyathemba ukuthi imphumela izoba mihle. Ngicela ke maqedwe ukubukela le video ungakhohlwa ukungena lapha ku Facebook wami, ungifollowe i-account yami.
No, not now. Don't do it because I'm telling you. I'm saying if they forget it, if they forget it, why don't you take it? Let's go. Home Affairs is right next to you. Why don't you go say Home Affairs? People left their IDs here. Home Affairs is right next door. You take the IDs and you say they forgot their IDs. Why don't you do that? Oh, you forgot. So all of this happened in one day. Happened in one day. So you forget how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. You forget.
You never.
At least I'm not done. So, what I'm saying to you, I don't understand why you guys. Why couldn't you listen to me first? You're going to have to listen to me. If I'm wrong, you're going to tell me I'm wrong. So what I'm saying, these things don't belong to me, right? They belong to other people. He says they forgot these things in his office. And I'm saying to you, it would make sense for him to take these things and bring it to the official. Unless he is an official of Home Affairs. If he's not, he can't keep this thing. Listen to me. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to this officer. Just listen to me. I don't know who you are, and I don't care who you are. So I'm saying it is wrong for him to keep an identity of another person. Because we don't know what these things are used for. Let's accept that they forget what and I don't think we're fighting about it. And I think we just want to manage
Because as of this person is
but it doesn't matter whether it's African. He can't keep documents.
Because I'm a responsible person for this office. I've got accountability and responsibility. That's why man is insane to come out in Shilaband over more than 60, waiting for me to be interviewed. So I respected the position I have to go out. These are accountable and responsible. Hence I'm here. Everybody here should know who I am.
And we respect.
Yes.
Thank you
and I'm Mr. Makakula Ngombo, responsible for this office. In accountability and responsibility, anything happens, you're in charge. Hence I'm saying this gentleman, this gentleman works for Home Affairs. But my cousin, who take over.
When you are asking the issue of then better move up on the issue. No, I'm just trying to distinguish my issues here so that we okay. So then that's the issue. Then there's the issue of distance. And he's not the only one. Kuna no money to kumalo la ophethe idea bangamalo kodwa Pakistan.
Somalia.
I don't think that's something we all kaloku esalapha abasitshintshileyo abalana abasitshintshileyo bona bathi ukhumalo ibona babizana ngokhumalo but i-ID yakhe ithi new yenzile umseshini esigebengu vele isigebengu esikhulu
uyabonakala
crook nje sikwazi nomethezi siyamazi nje owenza yonke le manje esinesibhekene nayo
Mandela umsebenzi
cha uramaphosa sothi uramaphosa
ukwazi ukuthi njengoba bangena bazokwenza balitholile nilungelo ngoba mina amangifika ngitholile ukuthi A1 phakathi thiwafunela wena I had to leave abantu ebayinterviewani ngeza umuzo wami ngibuze wena ngibuzanga bonke abantu
sizomthola ngoba bona bamazi yasibesibheka ngoba baza abantu so for now let's do it
for now okay we know the gentleman and
ukade ukhumalo wena
uthi laba bantu
ukade isigebengu wena
as you said procedure security to take these things as is
hayi silapha eMhoma Affairs
SAPS your health whoever othola le even nabo labo
isikhathi ibuyilo
uma ngabe ukhona sala kanjani kuzwayo South Africa mobheka bonke laba bantu laba automatic ngokusebenza kwethu lo muntu
and into esilwayo ukuthi Mr. Makakula noma ungalirana le office you don't run every single person olangaphandle nama intentions zakho abhedala uyabona into ngishoyo so as citizens it's our responsibility ukusebenza nawe sisho ukuthi na into wrong isibonile ayikho into wrong ngalo yabo so angifuni kube khona la engathi thina nawe siyaxabana akukho la uyabona into ngishoyo ama citizens bezele ipicket la unfortunately ayibona le nto wrong ayibonile azama ukubiza umuntu phakathi ka Home Affairs yabo that is where the altercation came in engicabanga ukuthi that is why we find ourselves
that's why we're hearing
Yes, that's why I clearisha ukuthi akekho phakathi kwethu orongo. Yabona into engishoyo. And now I think you agree with that.
No, I agree with you. That's why I said.
Okay, so the market is also checked on at least bakhona bana bafowethu.
Okay, firstly, Bugala. This is a non-South African citizen. Issue kuthini lento, issue ukuthi lo muntu lo ufike mhlambe waba
Isigqoko kumakarabha amathaqonsele endlebeni yile siyaqandula. Episode yethu namhlanje sikhuluma ngodaba lolu sibona lana lo Mlisa Mumbe. Mlisa ukufika otholakala enama ID more than 50 according to indlela okusho ngayo bongelana ke imash yabona ngane members lakho zikhona zisebenza ukubambisana namaphoyisa ngoba ngathi bekhona nawo la. So manje ke into exaka kakhulu ke yileyo ukuthi ke how come kube khona umuntu okubonakalayo ukuthi impela ke own business khona umafeze ongena ngisho la. Hayi kuwesike lokho ama ID ukuthi khona umuntu angatholakala nama ID awu50 futhi okuxaka kakhulu ukuthi lo muntu lona umuntu obonike ngathi hlala khona home affairs even though ke singenayo isiqiniseko sokuhlala khona impela noma uyaphumula mayisekhathele wanaka kuphela isponge. Okunye ke esingayibuza kona ke kule video ukuthi ke kazi lo mbhemu njengoba kutholakala isponge lesi ethi kulala security esingenayo ishow yalokho futhi nakho noma ngabe liyalala yebo akho semthethweni security lale but nayi problem. What if ucover abanye babasebenzi noma beyikhulu zakhona home affairs? What if this is the bed which is used ukwenza izinto ezithize engalungile for some purposes engeke sikwazi ukukhuluma ngazo but asazi but indaba enkulu yile yalama ID aphethwe yilo mbhemu lo. Utholakala kanjani ama ID afunana ama ID ekuyena? Nayo inkinga enkulu. Manje uyachaza lo Mlisa lona lo isikhulu sakhona sithi sizochaza kodwa into esichazayo ayizwakali futhi into exaka kakhulu instead ukuthi yena account for lento yenzeka endaweni yakhe asasebenzela kuyona kuyena umaqhuzu kuyona. Unalokho ufuna ukubuza imvume yokuthi abantu bangene kanjani. Hey engabe uyabonga phela uthi imali ngiyabonga ukuthi ningithola into enje ngoba phela angithi akayazi lutho yena ngalento ngama-shady deals la yenzekalayo. So fanele ngabe uyabonga kodwa instead uyadefend okuyenye into ke ezixaka kakhulu. Nawo sekutholakala enombulazi kutholakala umntungwa ulandwa ngale ngemuva nomntungwa naye uthi ayikhona nanga umntungwa impela naye hey hayi kunzima. Sithi sibonga nje ukuthi nibe nathi nibuke nathi kule channel yethu sinje izandla izula ikhanda sithi nje Shibiriji siyashibilika. Danko.